It's the same with the heart. It's clear. As we read in Ezekiel 36:26, it's two different faculty. And in here, we see it's also two different faculty. The heart and the mind is two different faculty of the wholeness of a human being. Because we sometimes equate our feelings, which is in the mind, which is in the soul, as if your spirit is that. We are identifying our feelings with who we are in the core of our being. Like in the core of your being, you are new. God made you new. In the core of your being, He made it right. And yet, the mind still needs some renewing. Right? That's why we read in Romans 12:2, do not be conformed to the pattern of this world, but